Hello my friends, I wanna present to all of you my new video how to prepare stairs for hardwood or laminate installation. All the time right after carpet is removed we have to cut off frame bullnosing. This process is so easy and fast if you have some knowledge and you have a special jig. I made this jig from piece of scrap hardwood. Just make 2 cuts and remove inner with chisel or you can use hammer. Please enjoy this video. You can comment below and ask questions. I will be so happy if this video helped you with your future projects. Thank you for watching this video.